Imagine turning your social media scrolling into serious cash flow with just a laptop and your brilliant mind. Sounds too good to be true. Stick around and I'll unveil the secret world of affiliate marketing, where earning while you sleep isn't just a dream. Missing this might just cost you your next big break. In the world of affiliate marketing, one of the first steps to turning clicks into cash is choosing the right niche. But why is this so crucial? Well, it's simple. A focused niche allows you to speak directly to a specific audience, those who are as passionate about the topic as you are. Think about it. If you're all about the latest tech gadgets, does it make sense to spend your energy talking about gardening tools? Probably not. By dialing down into niches such as tech gadgets, beauty products, health and fitness, or personal finance, you create a space where your audience feels understood. This isn't just about selling products, it's about creating a community bonded over shared interests. For instance, if you choose tech gadgets, you're talking to the tech enthusiasts, the gadget geeks, and the early adopters. They're looking for someone who can sift through the noise and tell them what's worth their attention and why. This focused approach not only makes content creation more straightforward for you because you're talking about what you love, but it also attracts a dedicated audience. An audience that trusts your recommendations and, more importantly, is willing to make purchases based on your advice. That's the golden ticket in affiliate marketing. Now, imagine the impact of that trust. With a dedicated audience hanging on to your every word, you've got the power to not only influence, but also to transform your passion into profit. But here's a question to ponder. If you had to pick a niche right now, which one would resonate most with you and why? Think about your passions, your interests, and what you could talk endlessly about. Your answer to this question could very well be the foundation of your next big venture in affiliate marketing. Selecting the right affiliate program can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. With options sprawling from Amazon associates to lesser-known niches, it's easy to get lost. The trick? Start where you're most passionate. If tech gadgets light up your world, seek out programs in that realm. It's not just about the big names, it's about fitting snugly into your niche. But why look beyond Amazon? Diversity is key. Platforms like CJ Affiliate and Rakuten Marketing offer a wide array of products and services that might align even more closely with your interests. Imagine talking about the latest tech releases and having a specialized affiliate program that fits like a glove. Or if you're into fitness, find a program dedicated to workout gear or supplements. These platforms often provide better support, more unique products, and potentially higher commissions. Here's where it gets interesting. Niche-specific programs can be a goldmine. They allow you to hyper-target your audience with products that feel almost custom-made for them. Picture this: you're discussing the benefits of organic skincare, and instead of a general beauty store, you're directing your viewers to a boutique brand that you genuinely love. This not only increases your credibility, but also your conversion rates. So how do you start digging for these treasure troves? Begin with what you love, then match it with an affiliate program that echoes your enthusiasm. Sometimes the best opportunities are just a click away on the affiliate network's websites, or perhaps hidden in the Work With Us section of your favorite brand's site. What's crucial is patience and persistence. Finding the perfect match might take time, but it's worth the effort for that authentic connection to your content and your audience. Now think about your favorite brands or products that you can't stop talking about. Could they be the key to unlocking your next big opportunity in affiliate marketing? Ever wondered how the magic happens? How do your favorite online creators make content that not only engages you, but also subtly introduces products they love without it feeling like a giant ad? It's all about the art of integrating affiliate links naturally, and you can do it too. Take blog posts, for example. Imagine reading a detailed review of the latest smartphone. The blogger shares their personal experience, the pros, cons, and everything in between. You're hooked, and by the end, there's a link to buy the phone. It doesn't feel forced. It feels helpful because the post answered all your questions. That's the power of content that connects. Now visualize a tutorial video where someone shows you how to get the perfect makeup look. Each product they use, from primer to setting spray, is linked below the video. You're not just watching for entertainment, you're learning, and with all the products a click away, it's effortless to replicate the look. Then there's the genius of infographics comparing, say, the top running shoes of the year. At a glance, you see features, price points, and even where to buy them, all in a visually appealing format. It's quick, informative, and you guessed it, includes those handy affiliate links. These examples show how creating engaging content that organically incorporates affiliate links isn't just possible, it's a game changer. It turns passive reading, watching, or scrolling into an interactive experience where value is provided and purchases are just a natural next step. Now think about the last time you clicked on an affiliate link. What made you do it? Was it the quality of the content, the trust in the creator, or maybe the product itself? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Navigating the merge of social media and email marketing to boost your affiliate content can sound like a tricky puzzle, but it's all about knowing which pieces fit together. Imagine Instagram stories as your daily chats with friends where you can share snippets of your life, or in this case, cool affiliate products that caught your eye. The beauty of stories lies in their fleeting nature, making them perfect for limited time offers or flash sales, creating a sense of urgency among your followers. Now layer this with highly curated, Pinterest-worthy pins that showcase these products in action, providing an aesthetically pleasing roadmap directly to purchase links. Switch gears to dedicated email newsletters, a more intimate conversation with your subscribers. Here you weave stories around your affiliate products, perhaps how they've personally improved your life or the unique features that make them stand out. It's like inviting someone into your home and chatting over a cup of coffee. With each email, you're not just promoting a product, you're building trust and creating a narrative that your subscribers look forward to. Linking all these together is the seamless flow from a casual browse on Instagram or Pinterest to the substantial content in your newsletters. It's about creating a cohesive experience that guides your audience through different stages of engagement, ultimately leading them to those affiliate products. But how do I keep my stories and pins captivating enough to make people want to subscribe to my emails? You might wonder. It's all in the value you offer and the storytelling. People are drawn to stories. They want to see how these products fit into their lives. Now imagine having a toolkit that not only garners likes or pins, but translates into meaningful engagements and ultimately clicks on your affiliate links. How powerful would that be for your affiliate marketing strategy? Before we reveal more on turning this vision into reality, I'm curious what's been your biggest challenge in integrating social media with email marketing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. In the bustling marketplace of the internet, standing out can feel like trying to shout over the roar of a waterfall. But fear not, because SEO and paid advertising are your megaphones. Think of SEO, or search engine optimization, as the art of becoming the friend Google never knew it needed. It starts with keyword research, which is essentially detective work to find what your potential customers are searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can be your best ally here. It's not just about finding the most popular keywords, but uncovering those golden nuggets that are relevant but not oversaturated with competition. Once you've got your keywords, it's time to weave them into your content like a master storyteller. This is where on-page SEO comes into play. It involves optimizing your web page content for search engines and users. Think of your website as a library book that you want to make as easy as possible for the library, in this case, Google, to find and recommend. This means using your chosen keywords in your titles, headings, and throughout your content in a way that feels natural. But what about when you want to skip the line and get your message in front of eyes faster? Enter the world of paid advertising. Using platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads, you can create campaigns that target your ideal customers based on their interests, behaviors, and even the exact keywords they search. It's like sending a personalized invitation to your website or landing page. Combining SEO and paid advertising is like having both a steady rain and an irrigation system for your garden. The steady growth of organic reach complemented by the targeted boost of paid ads. It's not about choosing one over the other, but how they can work together to grow your affiliate content's visibility and reach. Now, I'm curious, have you tried integrating both SEO and paid advertising into your strategy? What was your experience like?